Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you this video on this Wells Fargo Reflect Visa credit card. Now with this card, you can see if you're pre-qualified with a soft pull pre-approval and it will not impact your credit score. Now with this card, it's a balance transfer card and there are reports of people getting a $15,000 and up credit line for this credit card. This card is offering a 0 APR right now for 21 months. This can help you save money right now if you have high credit card debts. So if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I also give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. I also have other packages for purchase to remove your negative items at my website. And if you like to sign up to get my help personally, I also have a link where you can sign up and I can help you one-on-one. All these links will be in the pinned comment section and in the description of this video. So let's jump into this information. Now with this credit card from Wells Fargo, the Reflect credit card, this is a card that is targeted for people who are looking to do a balance transfer, meaning you might have some credit card debt with higher APRs somewhere else. And with this card right now, they're offering you an introductory 0 APR when you open an account for the next 21 months. So with this card, and when you open it, the balance transfer rate is going to be from 17.99% to 29.99% after that 21-month period. But if you're a person right now with higher credit card debt and you also have a higher APR, this card offers you 21 months where you can pay 0 interest. And if you're not paying interest on that card, you can pay down your balance faster if you are focusing on paying it down and not using that card again. Now, this can be a great alternative versus getting a loan to pay down credit card debt. And the reason why, with credit cards, unlike a personal loans have a fixed monthly rate. So it doesn't matter how much that you put down on the balance. If you're not paying the balance totally off, then your fixed rate or monthly payments generally stays the same. So with a credit card, the more you pay that down, your monthly payment goes down each month as you pay your card balances down if you're not being charged high interest. Now, along with the 0 APR for 24 months, you have additional card features and benefits like cell phone protection. You can get up to $600 of cell phone protection against damage or theft when you pay for your monthly cell phone bill with an eligible Wells Fargo card. Now, it's subject to a $25 deductions, and some terms do apply. You also get roadside dispatch that offers a 24/7 on-demand referral dispatch network that provides emergency roadside assistance and towing, or you can get a locksmith referral service also. They also offer 0 liability protection, and through my Wells Fargo deals, you can earn cash back through the Wells Fargo website. Now, something important you need to know, you will not be able to qualify for an additional Wells Fargo credit card if you already opened a Wells Fargo credit card account in the last 6 months. It will be an automatic denial. Now, with this credit card, they will be pulling from Experian, and the recommended credit score is 670 and up. Now, to see if you're pre-qualified, you can use Wells Fargo pre-qualification tool, and it will not impact your credit score. So you can fill in your information. If you're already a Wells Fargo customer, you can log into your account and then fill in your details. And you must check out the authorization and then hit continue to see if you're qualified for this card. You may even be qualified for other cards, and you can use this tool if you would like to see if you fit in the profile of what they're looking for. Now, just understand, if you're pre-qualified, it is not a full guarantee. You have an 80 to 90% chance of receiving the credit card. And also remember, if you finish the application and go to get the credit card, it will turn into a hard inquiry, whether you get approved or denied. Now, using this strategy of pre-qualification can help you minimize getting hard inquiries without going around and just applying for credit. Also, it can help you if you are not pre-qualified. Your information will be in their system, and when your credit score change, they may send you out pre-approvals for different credit cards. Now, hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, just leave it in the comment section. Or if you have personal questions, you can reach me at my website. I always leave the link in the description of the video in the pinned comment section. When you go to my website to submit your questions, all your questions go directly to my cell phone. So I hope this is informational, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.